If you often get sick with a cold or flu, eating garlic can help reduce your symptoms or prevent your illness entirely. Garlic enhances blood flow, which gives your skin a natural glow, and it is also known to increase antioxidant levels of the skin and body. Garlic is a simple way to help preserve brain function in an aging population and protect the brain from oxidative stress and neuroinflammation. Garlic may help reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels by up to 11.2 mm Hg. Studies determined that garlic has the potential to reduce total cholesterol up to 30 mg per deciliter. Avoid garlic in some conditions if you have bleeding disorder, acid reflux, before and after surgery, pregnant women, if taking blood thinning medications. Dosages generally recommended in the literature for adults are 4 grams, 1 to 2 cloves, of raw garlic per day, or 1 300 mg dried garlic powder tablet, standardized to 1.3% allicin or 0.6% allicin yield, 2 to 3 times per day, or 7.2 grams of aged garlic extract per day.